welcome back to the old channel here. Now we're going to do an auxiliary belt here on this Toyota T27. It's a simple enough job. Just have to, it's awkward looking as you can see it here, and it goes back in there. So the way to get at this is, let's take off the wheel, and there's a side panel. We'll take off the side of that, and we can get to the, you know, to a good chunk of it down below there. So really that's how we do it. And there's a tensioner. We just take the pressure off with the tensioner, and then take off the old belt, replace it with the new one, and get that job done there now and show you how to do it. So I'd like to just give a big shout out to the Polish subscribers who are #1 on my channel. I would like to say thank you to the Polish. Very appreciate your subscriptions, and the UK being #2 subscribers on my channel, and I want to say thank you very much to the UK as well, and everybody else. But anyway, let's get on with the job and get the job done. Please subscribe, leave a comment, give it a like. Now we had to stop just the hook there for a few minutes here, as yeah, people might know Ireland is the Republic of Rain, and that's all it seems to do. It's rain all the time. But anyway, it looks like it might clear up by the looks of things, and we get stuck into it down in a second. And a big shout out to the big T up in Cork City. He know who he is. But yeah, let's get stuck in. You can see blanket of misery is starting to blow over, so that's a great job. There we go. So what we got here is this panel here. There's one stud here, one here, one here. There might be one in there. We'll see the rest. There's one in there too. So there. So there's a couple of studs to take off. It gives us full access then into the belt then, and the tensioner. And that's the next step, is to remove these. Really, what you need to do then is one of these tools here, and you take out the middle piece first. Might have to get a different one, we'll see. There. That's what has to, you pop the middle piece out, and then you can pull it out from there. 1 second now. Someone has to hold the camera here. Just hold it here so I'll get one of these out on camera. Go, and we'll just pop out like that. So I'll get the rest of them out and we'll be right back. So here we are underneath, and we're just doing as far as I can. The tensioner bolt is there, which is not really much space to get at it, like, but it's enough. So I done a little diagram on this here now, on what way it has to be done, but you can tell there's grooves in each of the wheels where it has to go on the pulleys it has to go on, and the ones then that are smooth, it's just basically the back of the belt goes on them. So it's really quite simple. It comes in the aircon from the very top pulley up there, and then the aircon around the water pump, and also the rest of the pulleys, the alternator and all the rest of them there. So it's really quite simple. I sort of done a little bit of a diagram there, but it's very hard to do a video on this, but it's really easy once you get access into it. There's not much to it, so I'll just get stuck in and get the job done. As there's no way I can really show how it's done, but yeah, so it's really easy to do. The hardest part is to get the tension up, you know, get some tension on the tensioner, because to be honest with you, it's quite hard. I might see can I try and get from the top with a breaker bar. We'll have a look at that then and see if that's possible. Okay, so we're going to use a 22mm spanner here. There isn't very much room to look at this one. There we go. No.
Yeah. It's off, yeah.
Right.
You unloosen it again?
Right, you get off.
I did, but I could just make sure it's properly off.
Look, it's off. Oh.
See?
Just look.
It's
It's
off.
still on it. It's not on it. It's still completely off. Come on. I'm doing it again. Get off.
Nope. Yep.
Is it off?
Yeah, part of it is now.
Is it off the top?
Yeah,
of
it
the
is, yeah.
end?
It is.
Okay. Here's a look. Let's see. That's it. It's off here. We stopped that there for a second. Right, we got that off there now. We just have to work on the bottom of it. Not yet, because you will be in a minute. So we just take the belt off completely. Get it out. All together. And get the new one back in. Must be getting stuck on there, Evan.
Yeah, let me see. I think I can see it against cotton.
Oh, is it?
I think I can see it. But I can't get my hand into it.
I'll get it down in 1 second. I can see it. The light didn't come on this phone. Have you the light there by any chance?
I looked for it. Yeah.
Yeah, come on then. Then there we go. Shows it. Yeah, it's just up on this belt here. So next step is we'll just take it off this here now, and then we'll soften the top, work our way down. As you can see, the grooves in all the belts where the belt has to be attached onto, and then just keeping an L diagram of exactly where it has to go. It's really quite simple, but this belt doesn't look too good, or doesn't look too bad, I mean, but I just changed it anyway just to be sure, because I'm going to be using this car for myself. But anyway, let's get this done. Right, finally got it done. On with the truth. Fire it over there. Heating the diesel. Sorry I couldn't get in to show you. Sorry I couldn't get in to show you a bit more, but it's a very awkward job to do, but it's really easy. And if you just draw a diagram before you take it out, it's really simple to follow thereafter. So the next step now is to hold that there for a sec. Put back on the plastic cover. Quite simple to studs out. You just pop the studs back in, wheel back on, that's it. So hopefully this was of some use. Somebody out there, and now here's the studs here. See the way this spread out. So hold up a second. So what you do is you just squeeze them back in. You pop in the flat piece first, like so, and then you get the pin and you pop it in, and repeat 4 times. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. Please give us an L subscription, leave a comment, and give it an L thumbs up. Thank you very much, and take care. Have a nice Christmas.